When your Cricket wireless phone displays no service, it means your device cannot connect to the Cricket network, which operates on AT&T's infrastructure. This is actually the most commonly reported problem with Cricket Wireless. The issue can range from simple fixes to more complex network problems. First, always check Cricket's coverage map to ensure you're in an area with adequate signal strength. Even if you had service before, network conditions can change. The most frequent causes of no service include account issues like unpaid bills, temporary network outages in your area, SIM card problems, and device incompatibility issues. SIM card problems are particularly common. The SIM card contains the essential information needed to connect to the network. Issues can include improper insertion, damaged contact points, or a completely faulty SIM card. A major factor affecting Cricket service is the ongoing transition to VoLTE technology. Voice over LTE represents a significant shift in how calls are handled. Older phones that don't support VoLTE may become incompatible and lose service entirely. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, try these quick fixes. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection, and verify that your account is active and paid up. If these quick fixes don't resolve the issue, more detailed troubleshooting steps will be needed to identify and fix the specific cause of your no-service problem. When troubleshooting no-service issues, start by disabling Wi-Fi to ensure you're testing the actual cellular connection, not your internet connection. Next, remove and reinsert your SIM card to ensure it's properly seated. Use a SIM eject tool or paperclip to carefully remove the SIM tray. Verify your access point name settings are correctly configured for Cricket Wireless. Go to your phone's mobile network settings and check the APN configuration. If you have an older phone, confirm it's compatible with Cricket's Voice over LTE network. Older devices may need to be upgraded to maintain service. If cellular coverage is weak in your area, enable Wi-Fi calling in your phone's settings. This allows you to make calls over your Wi-Fi connection when cellular signal is poor. If problems persist, contact Cricket support via phone or chat. Be patient as customer service receives mixed reviews. For ongoing issues, consider filing a complaint with the Better Business Bureau.